Well, back from the pizza shop and back to the hotel. So let's see what we got here. Let's put this aside. And so this is it. So let's hope it tastes good. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Well, the first thing is that we need to do something really hot. Hot, something for the tummy. Really nice and hot. So this is excellent. I think that's what we're missing on. So I wish you could join, but anyway, we're gonna get on with it. Okay, I thought we have a quick tour of the hotel. Now, this hotel is basically, the inside environment is more of a chateau feeling, where you got rustic ambience. And this ain't plastic like you see in the theme parks. So this is real stone. And there's some memorabilia downstairs which shows how old this hotel is and the history. So I'll be touching on that in my first convenience. But I mean, obviously this is a very old establishment. While I show you around, please do not miss Caernarfon Castle by air, coming up soon in the video. See you at Caernarfon Castle. Well, this is the main entrance, and very historic pillars, I'm sure about it. And so if you can just I can show you the kind of a bit of a in-depth feel to the building, because I like construction. I'm a DIY guy. You've probably seen some of the videos where I try to do things. Whether I do it wrong or right, that doesn't matter. You have to do it. You have to try. Nothing's impossible. Always keep trying, and you can do it. Anything's possible. Never give up. So anyway, I always like looking at stone and materials, because at the end of the day, there might be the hotel, but you know, these stones have come from Mother Nature has given them to us, and we use them. So you know, it's part of nature, and in a way. So I'd like to highlight that. It's not very, actually, because there's no light. So in the morning, I'll show you, get a better view of this area. So catch you in the morning. Mankind Malik. Have a good night. Well, as I headed inside, I thought we'd take a trip down memory lane and show you some really old photos of the hotel. And before, in the morning, I show you Caernarfon by air and the castle I mentioned earlier. Because I'm interested in this, because you know, I like to relate from things how they were now, how they were back then. And this is some street actually with near to the hotel. And look at that. Can I just? I really want to have a look there. See, that was the hotel back in the times. I can't see the date here, but anyway, looks like 50s, and that's all it was. Well, hello there, good morning. And I've just been to the swimming pool, sauna, and the steam room, and I'm feeling rather fresh. Looking forward to a great morning and a great day. But before that, let's take you upstairs via the historic staircase to show you something special before we go on our next adventure, especially the castle that I mentioned earlier. Now this chandelier, well, it's steel rods connected together to form its main look, but I'm not sure. So that is the main thing, but the thing is that I'm not sure how old this is. It might be really old when the hotel was built, but anyway, it looks fabulous, especially the brickwork, rustic
brickwork around it, and those archy windows with the looks like solid grain wood here. I'm not sure which wood it is, but it adds very a peaceful feeling as you go towards your rooms. So it feels very peaceful. And so I'm just going to show you the library downstairs. So we're going to go downstairs, pass in front of the reception, and show you the library, and then I think that's pretty much it. But you can explore more when you come next time.
Ooh, I can't resist looking at these stairs. Anyway, they lead to the second and third floors from here on. And as we head down, we let these hard-working youngsters pass, who are making preparations for tea, I think. But let's go down. Well, downstairs I'm going to show you the reception, as you can see, and then head further and also visit the library that is we're going to be going to soon. We've got some very interesting things to show you there.
So basically, this place, they got a bar on this side, and some again old photos here for yourself, and representing the library, well, rather presenting the library to you. This is it. Look at that. Some old books, I'm sure. Let's see. This first published 1961. So they got some old stuff here, and good to revisit the past, because I think this hotel represents the past. And look at this. Look at these. These are old radios. Old radios. These machines, Singer. Actually, my wife, she's got a Singer machine as well. I don't know, it was given to her by her parents, but that's a Singer machine. And all these are radios. Very good feeling to touch them. Yeah, old age. And a showcase here. And an old typewriter. Old typewriter machines here. So I'm not sure the significance of the machines, but I'm sure the person who owned the place or built it or whatever, he had some association with machines, so it could have been his business, but don't quote me on that. But anyway, the typewriter machine, so it's definitely links up with history in terms of to the hotel, and or something to do with the owner. So, and you've got telephones here. Look at that. Look at the telephone here. Yeah. Hello. Hello. 1950. No. Nobody talking. Okay. Well, let's have a little seat and then go out and give ourselves a treat. So that's it. We feel relaxed. Time to sit down for a bit and talk to you. Well, I hope you found this informative. Try to make it entertaining too. But I'm your host. I try to entertain you the best way possible. But as long as along the way, information is everything, and it's informative for me too when I come here. And that's why I go out to inform myself and get in touch with history, information, and see places. It's a big world, and Allah, God has created this for us to ponder into it and look and see His greatness and find Him. So anyway, it's been a nice tour today. I'm going to try to do a drone shot to give you some perspective of the hotel, but hopefully less weather permitting. But so far I hope you found this useful, and we enjoyed ourselves The only one thing, when we were coming out to check out with the luggage, the lift wasn't working, but that could be just temporarily thing, you know, service it. But apart from that, which is only minor, but the stairs weren't too long. So I hope you find it informative, and if you want to stay, by all means, it's a good place to relax, and the price is right. I'll keep you posted on that. So from Mankind Malik, from the hotel, it's goodbye. Check-out time, and here we go. Time to roll. Roll. That's what I mean, to roll. All right. So we're gonna head for the next adventure and see some more places and look out for them. So Mankind Malik, subscribe, comment, share, and like if that is to you fair, and by all means hit the bell icon. That's why it's there for you to hit it. You can smash it if you like, but you know, that's your choice. Thank you very much. Mankind Malik. Assalamu alaikum.
And look who we got here. It reminds me of Turkey. Remember encountering a wild bird? And here's another one, this time in Wales. Right, I want to show you this castle here. So just follow me. So this is Caernarfon Castle. That's what it calls. I hope I pronounced that right, but if I haven't, please correct me in your comments. Thank you. Right. So you can just have a look at the Right Honourable David Lloyd George, OM, Prime Minister, MP, and of the boroughs and Constable of Caernarfon Castle. So, you know, that's some ancient history for you. You know, pillars over there, viewpoints, as they were called in the days, meant for basically taking a view on the area to protect themselves from enemy. So, and if you look on towards the left, and it seems like a yacht club here, the car park. So we will try to go there and give you some further views of the place. So hopefully we can go there and give you some further views of the place. So you can just follow me, and let's go. So hope you enjoyed your tour so far. There's so many places to see, but you know, you definitely need here 2 nights stay minimum just to look at this area, and you can visit the castle as well. But so let's carry on.
3, 2, 1, lift off. And hello, Mankind Malik, to show you Caernarfon by air alongside the Caernarfon town and the Caernarfon Castle. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've been waiting for. And look at this monument, a legendary building with abundance of history. Well, as you see people on the rooftop there having a tour, well, you ain't missing nothing. But what you see there, even they can't see. And all this has come to you courtesy of the Mankind Malik channel, your channel. And let's head to the right as we see Caernarfon town and the rolling hills, luscious green, full of peace and tranquility. I say, with the waterfront on the other side, and we come back to where we started, the Caernarfon Castle. Oh yes. خواتین و حضرات، ये थी कैनारफन कैसल जिसका आपने इंतज़ार किया और आखिर में लुत्फ़ लिया। और ये पेशकश थी मैनकाइंड मलिक चैनल से ख़ुसूसन आपकी तरफ। और मैनकाइंड मलिक ड्रोन को नीचे लाते हुए दरिया को अबूर करते हुए और ड्रोन वापस आ रहा है मैनकाइंड मलिक के पास, तैयार एक और दिन के लिए जहाँ मैनकाइंड मलिक सैर पे आपको ले जाएंगे और दिखाएंगे कैमरे की आंख से आपको, सिर्फ आपको। तो हमारे साथ दीजिए, साथ रहिए, मिलते रहिए जल्द इंशाल्लाह।
Okay, so Mankind Malik is back, and along with my wonderful company. So let's get the bags out. So, if I can just exchange some remarks about a trip. It has been a great trip and wonderful weather. Thanks to God, thanks to Allah, and thanks for being with us. And I hope you like it. And just subscribe, comment, like, and share if you feel that is fair. Thank you very much. See you on the next adventure, wherever that is. I hope it's soon. Assalamu alaikum.